Hi folks, it's Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants from a location I don't ever believe I've ever spoken to you from. I'm here in a brand new home, really a nice home, not a lot of things to write about, not a lot of defects. However, the builder was very thoughtful. I'm going to reverse this camera. There we go. I can have a seat. And if that thing will focus. Hey, I'll be just a minute. Give me a minute. Quit ringing the doorbell. You get it? What were they thinking? I really can't blame the builder. It's not his fault. It's the draftsman who drew the plans for the house, and ironically, architects don't draw that many plans for residences. Yeah, they do it at some level, but not most of these spec houses. It's just a draftsman. But to have a straight line of sight from the front door to the hall bathroom, I don't know. I guess they were just being considerate, or not. Remember to close that door if you're going in to wash your hands or anything. It's Charlie with Alpha Building Consultants. Have a laugh today.